Shimajiro! Let's play together! The Secret of the Secret Hideout. Look at that wind. I sure hope it's gonna be okay. Shimajiro!
Yoo-hoo!
Hey, Mimolin, Flappy. Where are you going? Oh, I was going to check out our hideout. Oh, that's where we're going too. Huh? Both of you guys?
Uh-huh. Oh, that was some really big storm last night. I hope our hideout didn't get blown away.
Come on, it's not gonna be that bad. It's a hideout, it's not a dollhouse.
I guess it looks like I'm more worried about the hideout than you are.
Oh?
Come on, stop flapping around and let's go check on the hideout.
It's ruined.
Fixing it is gonna be tough.
I don't even know where to start to fix it.
If we're starting from scratch, why not build a tropical hideout?
Great idea. Who just said that?
Wasn't me, I didn't say anything. Me neither.
I know I didn't say anything. It wasn't the hideout, was it?
What?
Ta-da! It was me!
Nikki!
Don't scare me like that. What were you doing in there?
I was worried, so I came right here. You see that hole? We could plant a palm tree there.
I love it.
I'm totally for it.
Me too.
All right, it's gonna be hard work, but let's get started.
Not so fast.
Huh?
Huh?
Leave all that hideout stuff to us, you guys.
We're gonna make it the coolest hideout ever.
Based on my design here, the hideout should end up looking like this.
Wow, so cool!
Yeah, right? What's the point of a hideout if it's not cool?
What now? Do you have a problem with my idea or something?
Easy, Nikki. How about we put it to a vote and see what kind of hideout most of us want to build?
I'm voting for Mota.
Hey, you guys like the hideout that I was thinking of, right?
Yeah. Me too, Nikki.
What about you, Flappy?
Me? Well, I'm gonna go with these guys here.
What? But you just said that you liked my idea.
I do, but the cooler the better.
That's right.
Fine.
It's settled then. Now let's start repairing the hideout.
Yup. Looks pretty cool, right, Nikki?
You think so?
Hey, let's go inside already.
But me first.
Hold it right there.
The hideout would have been boring without our cool design, so this hideout belongs to us.
What?
Well, that makes no sense. This is our hideout, you know.
Flappy's right.
Oh, yeah? But if we hadn't helped you guys out, you wouldn't be able to play here at all.
That's why it's our hideout.
That's not fair.
Oh, enough already! Keep complaining and you'll get this.
Oh, my ears are still ringing.
Zota and his friends were only helping us with the hideout so they could turn it into their own.
Yeah.
I've had it up to here with those guys. We're gonna send them packing and make that hideout ours again.
That might might be difficult, Flappy.
We can't even get near the hideout.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't there anything we can do?
Come here. What do you think of this idea?
Yeah.
Wow! Check this out!
Huh?
I've never seen anything like that before.
I know. Isn't it cute?
I want to take it home with me.
What do you think they found?
Hey! Show us what you guys found!
Now. I had a feeling you'd try to take back the hideout. That's why we laid out traps that I made all by myself.
Music time! Those guys are gonna try to take back the hideout again. Make sure none of them get near here.
Yeah!
What's that sound?
I think it's coming from down below.
Huh? Is that you, Shimajiro?
How would he even get down there?
Yes, you're right.
Oh! What was that?
It's nothing.
I'd say it's most definitely something.
But what is it?
What if it's a ghost or something?
I didn't think the whole place would be booby-trapped.
We will need a better plan the next time.
What do you think happened? They said something about a ghost.
Who cares what it was? We can take back the hideout. Oh, I missed you so much, you little hideout.
Huh? What's that noise? Maybe it's that ghost that Zota saw.
There are no such things as ghosts. Let's check it out.
Look, squirrels!
We must have buried them without realizing they dug a hole in there.
Then what about the sounds coming from the roof?
There was a bird's nest hidden in the straw.
Mm-hmm. It looks like we weren't the only ones using the secret hideout, huh? Kirinta's hero. Kirinta, what are you doing?
Hey, Shimajiro. I'm actually practicing karate.
Karate? That's right. You were saying you go to karate class every week.
Yeah, there's something I want to be when I grow up, but I have to be really strong to do that.
What do you want to be?
I want to... Never mind. Do you want to try karate? See? Just like this. Ha!
Oh, my ball!
Stop right there!
Huh?
It's very dangerous to run into the road like that, Shimajiro.
Officer Lion!
Before you run into the road, always stop and wait. First look right, then left, and then cross the road if it looks safe.
I will. I'm sorry.
What matters is that you know better now. Bye.
You have my ball!
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Well then, I'm off to defend peace, justice, and the good of this town now.
Wow!
Huh?
Peace, justice, and the good of this town. That's what I want to defend when I grow up.
You mean you want to become a police officer like Officer Lion?
He's strong, he's kind, and he's so cool. Oh, I wish I could be just like Officer Goodmane when I grow up.
You you will. You're already taking those karate classes, right?
But that is not enough. There's so much I need to be able to do.
Oh, really? Like what?
Like being able to catch robbers. And also, I don't really know.
If you want to know more about my job, Korinta, you might want to tag along with me for the day.
Wow, can I?
Of course you can. We train all the time to make sure we can deal with any kind of situation. But don't spin too much. Going on patrol is very important. That's suspicious. A little girl is down on the ground.
You're right.
Mimilin?
Little girl, are you hurt? Say something.
Found you!
Mimilin, you are caught.
Aw, they found me because of you, Officer Lion.
Huh?
We were just playing hide and seek.
I'm sorry, but it's good you're safe. Now, on with the patrol.
What are you two doing anyway?
I'll tell you later.
That siren, it's a fire! Hurry, boys, where's the fire?
Shimajiro, Kirita.
Pontaro!
Nice timing. There was something I wanted to show everyone.
No time! Where's the fire?
Huh?
Here, Master Pontaro. I found it.
Oh, so it was just a toy? Yes, it's my brand new toy fire engine. Impressed?
What a public nuisance. Turn it off right now.
Yes, at once. Master Pontaro?
Yes, this button?
So Officer Lion is Corinta's hero? I didn't know that.
So we went on patrol with him, but he kept messing up.
And that's why Corinta's upset.
I don't know if I want to be a police officer.
Somebody help me! Where's Officer Lion? I need to see him right away. There's just been a crime.
What? A stolen watch?
Yes, when Master Pontaro and I returned to the house, I noticed that my priceless pocket watch was missing.
Oh, Now this feels like a real case. Let's get to solve it.
Wow! Look at him go!
He's so excited.
Hisuji, I just heard something in the basement storage room.
Huh? Nobody's supposed to be there at this hour. Could it be?
The thief.
There's somebody in there.
It's the thief, you think?
Shh. You children stay here. What was that?
What's wrong, Officer Lion?
Go catch him, or he'll get away.
Yes, I know. It's just, I've never actually caught a criminal in my life. Huh?
Kirinta?
What are you doing?
When I'm scared, I always do karate so I feel braver. Officer Lion, I'm going in with you. I want to help you. I want to be useful.
Kirinta.
But you could get hurt.
Just stay out here.
I'm scared too. But, huh?
Stay here, Kirinta. I'll arrest the thief myself. Come on out here! You're under arrest, thief! Huh? A suit of armor? Well, there's the culprit.
My fire engine. But how did it end up down here?
Be more careful, Pontaro.
But then where did the thief go?
When did you last see your watch?
Well, let's see. Around here.
And this was just after coming home? Do you remember going to the bathroom before, maybe?
Oh! There it is. I remember now. I left it here to wash my hands and forgot to pick it up. Thank goodness. I owe you my gratitude, Officer Lion.
Wow, Officer Lion!
You got it right.
There wasn't even a thief in the first place.
Anybody can make a mistake, but at least this case is officially solved. Kirinta, your bravery saved the day. You gave me the courage to go into that room. Thank you, partner.
Oh, wow!
Well, I'm off to defend peace, justice, and the good of this town. Now reporting for duty!
Wow, he's the best! Officer Good